So you may be wondering why I have these huge mirrors in my garage. Now, it's not because I enjoy looking at myself. Not that anybody would really enjoy looking at this mug. But these serve a real purpose. And it's not to make the place look bigger or make it look brighter. It's actually a tool. In fact, it's a particularly helpful tool when you are a solo operation like me. If you happen to be like me and have a 4-post lift or a service pit, this mirror becomes a very important tool. See, when you're a one-person operation, getting onto a 4-post lift or over a pit can be really difficult. But when you have a mirror, you can see exactly where your car is lining up. That way you get it lined up just right. If you like what you see here, please like and subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you out there.